Okay, so we are back with another eyeshadow look. This nice, super easy, super pretty eyeshadow look is coming from the Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 palette that we are getting into today. It has been discontinued, so unfortunately you can't buy it. It's not available anymore for purchase. But again, this is the palette that we're going to be using. So if you want to see how I get this eyeshadow look that is super quick and super easy, stay tuned because we're jumping right into it. Okay, so we're going back in with the Sephora Pro Editorial 2.0 palette. Oh, one of the things done fell out. Damn. Okay, well, let's be careful with that. So I'm going in with a Cloak and Antique Rose. It's just gonna be a very like dusty, like a brown, but not too crazy. Again, super easy. Yo, super easy, super quick. And I'm going to try my best to not lose my mind. So we're going in with Cloak. I did not prime my eyelids. Oh my god. Okay, I have got to get myself together because this is too much. This is too much. I can't handle it. I literally can't handle it. So I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just going to prime the lid like so, and I also like to put a little powder. So I'm going to use the One Size Ultimate Setting Powder in the shade Dark Deep because I'm gonna, you know, I set the lid too. So I put the concealer on and then I take a little puffer and I set it. So we're first going to blend this out to base the lid.
Artlist.io.
Then with my Real Techniques Baby Puffer, I'm going to go in with the powder and just putting that powder right on top to set the lid. Okay, now the first shade that I'm going to go in with is Cloak on the lid. And this again is a very like dusty kind of, I don't want to call it dusty, but it's a very, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just going to stop talking. All right, oh, let me use it. No, this one. Now with a flat brush, I'm going to go in with Antique Rose, which is like this brown shimmer. And I'm just gonna put that right on the lid. I'm getting a little more fallout than I want. My lip is crazy, but I'm getting a little more fallout than I want. I'm not too big of a fan of that. I think I need to dampen this a little bit. So I'm going to take some setting spray, dampen that brush, and then go back into the color. See if I can get it to stick a little bit better. That's better. That's better.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gosh, this fallout is crazy. I hate it. Why is this fallout acting like this, bro? This is chaotic. This is chaotic, and I don't like chaos. That's all, because this is becoming a lot. Other side. Jesus. Boom. Quick and easy, okay? Because I don't got the time. I'm dropping stuff. Look at this fallout. Ooh, baby, the fallout was real ghetto on this one. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what's that's about. I don't know what's that's about. Okay. I made it. I'm proud of myself. I survived. I lived. I made it.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so here we are with the final look. Of course, I went in through my goals in because what did you expect? The goals are not going anywhere, baby. The goals ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna be bling, 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 bling until I lose them or whatever the case may be. But yes, the goals are in. That is basically the look. So we went in with the Sephora Pro palette today for a nice soft lid. Super easy, super quick. The whole look was quick, honestly, but it's still giving glam. It's still giving full glam. It's still giving a look. It's still giving like I spent a lot of time on it, but I didn't. I think that's the best thing with makeup. You can have little effort and high reward with your makeup looks as long as you know exactly what to do. So I think this again was a super quick and easy look. I'm definitely out of the Clean Kisses lip gloss from the crayon case, so I will be ringing up on that for sure. But super easy look, super happy. Well, I'm gonna say that back. I wasn't really super happy because there was a lot of fallout on Antique Rose, and you could hear, I know that thing probably fell out again. The pan probably fell out again, but it is what it is. I'm not even gonna go back and forth with it. That is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to follow me on all socials at The Kid in the City. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid, and for that I thank you. Until next time, bye.